This is eggshell. This is good for fertilizer, rich in calcium. I keep this one so that I can mix it with the banana peel and coffee ground. I will grind this one first and make a powder. This one I put first in the oven so that it will make it brown and crunchy. And then after this, I will grind it. And I apply it in our vegetable plant so that they will be having calcium fertilizer. It's good for the plants. So I have here, it's already so ready for grind. Here, plenty of eggshell. Thank you for watching. Bye.